Have you ever wanted to parse data from a select multiple? Let me show you how to do it in less than 2 minutes. You'll notice in our Choices tab for our domains, we can see the names here. There are no spaces, and they're all lowercase. Over here in the labels, we have spaces in between the unit itself. And that's really important on what I'm going to show you next. So over here in the GUI, we can go in and we can click on these in any way. So I'm going to do the position 1, position 3, position 2. And you'll notice that they come in just like that. That's how the attribute table is going to show up for your information. What if we wanted to use the labels instead of the names? There's a little piece of code that you will need to use in order to do that. So how do I get the labels to show up instead of the name? Let me show you here what that looks like. So here is what the computer sees. That's that computer language, and that's what the attribute table is going to look like if you don't do anything. What you're looking at down here is a copy of the labels. And how do we get that? We get that by using this special little code called Junior Choice Names. And so you'll notice that in Choices, we have that under Labels. So that little piece of code right here is going to tell the computer that you want the labels, you don't want the name. And then over here, you're going to see there's a 0, 1, and a 2. Well, that's your index. So if you remember your Python or any programming language, each index has its own number. So 0 is the first item, 1 is your second item, and 2 is your third item. So I added all that here in the label area so that if you get the class files, you will have all this going forward. I hope you had a lot of fun today and these 2-minute courses are doing well for you.